Okay, now guys, it's time for my first Generator Rex tour review. So let's go ahead and start off the review. Let me just get everything together for you guys. Alright, so first thing I'm going to go over is the Rex figure. But first, gotta pick up my stupid camera because it's all over. Alright, but yeah, here's the Rex figure. So the Rex figure is very, very articulated. His hands can rotate 360. So that's a pretty good angle. And if you don't know where I got this at Target today. For $20. And also his knees can very well bend. And his legs can move up and down. They can go back and forth. So, there. Well, only one can actually move back and forth because the other one is like stuck behind that angle. See? Right there. Right there. And his face detailing is very, very good. So, let's go over the next thing, which are the darts for the slam cannon. Here, they're like foam darts, they're like Nerf darts. And finally, we have two more things to go over. First, let's go over the stand, which is a very, very good, clear stand for it to be set on. And actually, what I set on it is the slam cannon. You can see it's on the stand. And very, very good. So I'm going to go ahead and load in the darts and then hook Rex up to it. Well, actually, I'm not going to hook Rex up to it. I'm actually going to push the button myself. But Rex can be right here to watch it. So, there's Rex. And Rex is ready. So, thanks for watching this tour review, and I hope you stay tuned for more soon. Here, guys. Ready? Alright, you guys ready now? Oh, sorry guys, it wasn't ready. Alright, now I got everything ready. So, you guys ready? Ready, Rex? Thanks for watching my, Generator Rex Super Slam Cannon tour review, and stay tuned for more.